Hello, I am Rashmi Kothakar. Today I am going to explain about what is a hash code in Java programming. So let's see what is a hash code. So hash code is an integer written by hash code method. It has a many advantage in a different application in Java. Let us see how this method is giving a hash code, how it is useful, and what is the significance of the hash code in Java programming. So let's see one by one details. First of all, let's see what is a hash code in Java. So based on hash code, we can keep the object in hash bucket. Some algorithm or the data structure will use this hash bucket. Mostly the hash based data structure like a hash map, hash rate, hash table will use this hash code. And this hash code method is provided by every class is either explicitly or implicitly. It is simplified in Java lang .object classes. So this method will return an integer as a result by mapping an integer in the internal memory addresses in which the object is stored. So this hash code is same whenever we call the hash method with the same object more than once in the same execution, but in the different execution of the same application may give a different integer value. So the different object can have the same hash code because the hash code is 32-bit signed integer. The total number of different possible hash value are the 2 raised to the power 32. But the total number of different object can more than 2 raised to the power of 32. So hash code can be repeated, then the collision will happen. In this case, we need to select the particular object that we need for that specified hash bucket. So the hash bucket will reduce the search space for searching. Too many collision will decrease the performance also. Then we can override this function when it is needed, but equal method must be override whenever the hash method has been override. So this is because whenever the two objects are equal according to the method's equal method, then they should return the same hash code. But we can't say that hash code is same then the object are also same. So nextly, let's see how to override by using the hash code. So we can override the hash code method. Several reasons will be there to override this function. So good overriding will be the best performance by reducing the collision. By overriding the different hash code can be provided for different object. Hence the performance can be improved. After the overriding, also can get the original code which is provided by JVM or JVM to object by using identity hash code method. So this is the how to override the hash code method. So this is the information about the hash code in the Java programming. Thank you so much.